Perfect. Vlog 3. What's going on, guys? It's a new day. That means it's a new vlog, and I think I'm going to be doing this daily. So I'm gonna have to learn to talk like this so I can get likes that stereotypical vloggers do. I have to act very energetic. Oh God. So, quick update on... There's actually nothing to update. So I'm just here with my Legos, and I have a lot of Legos. I mean, yeah. And right now what I'm trying to do is assemble the superheroes, mainly Iron Man. But I only have this part. I only have the mask, the face, and the head. So, let me show you the superheroes I do have. We got the longest frickin' DC movie ever. Bird Boy. Bird Boy's dad. Bird Boy's dad but colder. A psychotic mercenary. Spidey Boy. Festive Spidey Boy. Iron Man but with no iron. Spidey Boy with no mask. The guy who likes to ask a lot of questions. And the guy that gives you bad luck.
And before all you nerds go in the comments and say, oh, Riddler isn't a superhero. I know, I'm not stupid.
I mean, I probably am, though. But I've been looking for Iron Man parts for... Oh, look, it's a revolver. I've been looking for Iron Man parts for a while. And I'm gonna take a break and go do something else. What that something else is, I have no idea. No Christmas music until the week of freaking Christmas! I'm gonna play a little bit of Xbox. And don't click off this video, but I am going to be playing Fortnite. For all you Fortnite haters viewing this, don't worry, I will not show that much gameplay, just the cool stuff. And you Fortnite haters are probably going to be like, there's no cool stuff. There is. Fortnite is a good game, but Minecraft is always superior. I just watched this video back and I realized I've been covering up the mic for most of it, so I'm sorry. Okay guys, so I'm not going to show any gameplay of Fortnite because I just played 2 games. My sister came in and demanded we play Minecraft together, so that's what we're going to do. I'm not happy. So, I was filming a challenge where I had to fold all of these clothes with socks on my hands, but for some reason my phone glitched out, got out of iMovie, and the video wasn't saved. So, yeah, right now I'm just folding my clothes as a chore, not a challenge. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Hoodies are awesome, and none of you guys can change my mind. I don't know why I filmed that. I wasn't even done. Okay, guys, we're in the car, going to the store. Zoe's here. Mom's here. She's driving us, and she's not happy about me filming because she and Zoe were just having a conversation. So I'm going to leave them to that and pick up when we're at the store. So, yeah. Okay, guys, so we are in Michael's right now. And, I guess we should just do a shopping montage. So let's do that. Okay, that was a very quick shopping montage. Let's get home and crack open those geodes. What do you say? Hope you said yes, because that's what we're doing. Woohoo! Okay, guys, we are out in my backyard. I got myself some nice, warm chicken and wild rice soup. And we're gonna crack open the geodes I got at Michael's. So let's do that. Okay, guys, I have the geodes right here, and I know from experience that the best way to open these is by yeeting them at the ground. So let's take the first one of two and just let me go grab those pieces that flew away. Okay, here is one of the big pieces. Very nice. And this is the other big piece. So I'm gonna put those right here. And now I'm going to yeet the other one at the ground. But not as hard, because the other one is split into millions of pieces. Here we go. Okay, I have to do that a little bit harder. Oh, that was a nice, satisfying thwack. Look at that. Focus. Come on. Look at that. It's really cool. Really shiny. This right here. Now there's another really big piece that I might yeet at the ground again. So, harder. I should not have done that. So yeah, guys, I got most of the pieces gotten up here. Just a bunch of these crystal pieces. This one, though, is my favorite because it's pure crystal with no rock whatsoever. It might have broken off of one of the bigger pieces, I'm not sure. But yeah, I think that's probably going to conclude it for today's vlog. Please like and subscribe for more vlogs, and tune in for tomorrow for the next one. See you guys then. Bye!